Okay, it's Jeremy with Fluesbrothers. We're going to go over, we just had installed this beautiful set of Ponderosa vent-free gas logs. We're going to go over, our pilot just went out, so we're going to go over how to relight the pilot. And I'm also going to show you how to change the batteries in the on-off remote. So we'll start with that. The remote has two batteries, has one here, and also one in the box right under here. So you're going to basically, when you go to replace your batteries, you want to replace these 4 batteries in the box and the 1 battery in the remote. You want to make sure the box goes back where we had it so it doesn't overheat and melt. And then we'll put this back together and we can test it by seeing the red light and we can hear the beep on the box. The box also has 3 settings: off, remote, and on. We want to make sure it's set on remote. Okay, going to the actual relighting of the pilot. We've got 3 logs we need to remove. We want to make sure we pay attention on how they went on there. Take a picture with your cell phone, what have you. That way you'll remember, because log placement is vital. So we're going to take one off here. Then we're going to take the one off on top here. Make sure they're not hot. We don't want to set them on the carpet or anything if they're warm. And this one right here. Now another one fell. I know where that was. We'll fix that, no problem. So here's your valve right here. You've got pilot on and off. We want to go to pilot. Can you see that where you're at? And we're going to want to go to pilot and put it on pilot. Push it in. There we go. And we can hear gas flowing. It might have a little bit of air in the line, but then we'll click it right there with the piezo, just like your barbecue grill, pop. And that comes on. We want to keep our finger depressed on the pilot for about a minute. And then once we release it, that should stay lit. And we're going to take this and we're going to turn it from pilot to on. So that's on. And then we're going to test it, which we can test it on a remote box just by hitting our remote. And we're going to make sure the whole burner comes on. And it's going to take a second. There we go. And there we go. It came on. So we're going to turn it off. The reason it took a second is because that thermocouple and thermopile are heating up. So now it should come on even sooner. And there it goes. See? Works nice.